Hello everyone, it's CJ5 Cubing here today, and today my mother was in a kind of a mood to buy something, and she thought it was 7x7, but I suggested for 2x2, and I got this, the Gun 251M Pro. Isn't that cool? If you say yes, thank you. Now let's just try to wrap this with something. Or just do it myself. Okay? Good. We are done. There we go. Now we have the Gun 251 M4 and let's get started. We have the materials here, which have what's entrance here? Cube bag, screwdriver, and instructions. I'm gonna keep the instructions away. And screwdriver in the box. Wait, I can place a screwdriver in the bag, right? Okay, I'll place them all in the bag in just a second. And done. Now let's move on to the other materials, which I do not want to open them because I've never seen that before. And now for the reveal, I have been through this again. Whoa, that's awesome! Try that again. Whoa, I had two boxes. Oh, look at the base. Let's keep everything inside. So we can get rid of everything. Oh, the evidence. Oh. Okay, so now we have the gun cube and let's see how this feels. No way. It feels so good. Okay. Let me time that. Okay, good. Well, I have to do this. Oh well. Let's keep going. Now I wonder what these are for. Let's check the cube bag. It's a screwdriver. I think it's an enhanced things. I have never held one of these before, because I am a noob. Oh, yes, found it. God, why is it so hard to take out? There we go. Oh my God. Why am I dead? And the ones with the blue enchantments. And now for the purple enchantments. And okay, that was good. Finding all the enchantments that I realized I want to find out what this is for. Now let's just though I seriously do not know what all of these are for. I am still keeping these for to confirm, to ensure safety. And all these snap and bye bye. Hooyah! Let me time a song on this. It feels like it's moving with me. Oh, come on. Oh. 11.681. Yeah, I know how to make the cutoff. Yeah, from last competition, 10 seconds. But it's okay. Because I was happy, I got less than 15 seconds. Because in my first competition, 18, 30. Ah! So it's okay, and spit. It's okay, and let's time random thing. Shit. Oh, 0.456. 0.466. Yeah, it's okay. Don't cry, don't cry. 0.361, that's awesome. No, wait. Plus 1.0.05 plus. It still didn't make the world record for 3x3. That is an awesome, some awesome solves. I hope. Wait. Before I stop, I forgot about the things in the corners. As you see, do not know how to get all of these out of here. But one thing I know, the 2x2 is a 3x3. This will be betrayed. Oops. Oof. Okay, so there is one piece that cannot be corner twisted, and that is the red, blue, and white piece. So there isn't any things that can like change. So we're going to have to see what happens with each things that I do. So if I place it like this, if I place one of the corners like this, as you can see in the box right here, let me see how that times. Whoa! That's an awesome 1.999! It's just 1 millisecond, and then it's 2. Just exactly 2 seconds. Well, that was awesome! Okay, so now let's see if we do the exact opposite, pushing it to the left. .117. That is slower, but I don't CARE. I'll test it like that and push it here. I think the the style of the board is the best because I can sense VR doing this or via anything. So let's start the doing like moderating the colors on every side. Ah! And okay, I am done. I have just realized that I am a bit bad at with this, with moderating this, but it's okay. We all learn things step by step. Like how I learned how to solve 3 by 3, which is in this box, in this bag right here. 2 by 2. Oh no, I meant that one. And this is, let me time the thing again. That was a me problem. That was a bit of me problem. Whoa, 2.081. That's in between. That's in between the two solves that I did while moderating this. That is awesome, and that is also good. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. So I hope you guys like my video, and if you don't like it, that's okay. If you like it so much, you can subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers to go live stream, so I can do something like a Q&A. Blah. I don't know what I'll do live stream, but it's okay. Even if you don't want to subscribe, it's up to you if you want or not. I'm not forcing you to subscribe. I'm just telling you, if you really like it and you want to subscribe, you can. So if you feel like subscribing, you may do what you want to. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and bye. Don't repeat my sentence again. That's why. Ah!